from me, darling. You better run for your life. And each time I see you, I contemplate. Run from me, darling. You better run for your life.
Welcome, princess. For generations, it has been our task to protect our people. So tonight, you join a long line of women who have helped to build this kingdom. The price is dear. But so too the reward.
You better run for your life.